హాయ్ హలో వెల్కమ్ టు మూవీ స్టాప్. నేను మీ అర్జున్. ఈరోజు నాతో పాటు స్టూడియోలో ఒక బ్యూటిఫుల్ హీరోయిన్ ఉన్నారు. షీ ఈజ్ నన్ అదర్ దాన్ అవంతిక మిశ్రా ఫ్రమ్ ద మూవీ వైశాఖం. సో మీ అందరి కోసం వైశాఖం మూవీ విశేషాల గురించి తెలుసుకోవడం కోసం ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు హ్యావ్ ఎ స్పెషల్ చిట్ చాట్ అనమాట.
హాయిగా ఉందే ఒళ్ళు మొత్తం స్ప్రింగ్ లాగా స్వింగ్ అవుతుందే.
హాయ్ అవంతిక గారు, ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
హలో, బాగున్నాను. మీరు ఎలా ఉన్నారు?
స్పీకింగ్ గుడ్ తెలుగు. చాలా మంది తెలుగు మాట్లాడుతున్నారు. ట్రై చేస్తున్నారా?
నేర్చుకుంటున్నాను.
ఓకే. సో వైశాఖం ఈస్ గోయింగ్ టు బి రిలీజ్. తొందరలో రిలీజ్ కాబోతుంది. హౌ ఎక్సైటెడ్ యు ఆర్?
I'm very excited. The butterflies in the stomach. We worked really hard and the output is really good. So nenu movie chusanu recent ga. So I just hope people like it as much as we enjoyed shooting for it.
సో ఇంతకు ముందు మీరు ఒక రెండు మూవీస్ చేశారు, మాయా అండ్ మీకు మీరు, అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ యువర్ థర్డ్ ఫిల్మ్.
Yes.
How was working experience so far in Telugu film industry?
It's been really nice. Actually, when I worked in the two films, it was a long time ago because I was in college. I was in third year of my chemical engineering. So not very serious, you know. It wasn't passion or anything. Someone said, do movies? I said, okay. This was my first serious film. I took a break and then I decided that when I got a team together, I realized that I'm going to do something that I really like, you know, which is something more commercially viable. So it's been really nice. People have been so welcoming and they treated me so well, you know. I feel at home here. So it's been very nice.
So మీరు అన్నట్టు ముందంత ప్యాషనెట్గా చేయలేదన్న. How you got your first break as a heroine?
I was in college and I used to do ramp shows. I used to do a lot of fashion weeks and ads. So, you know, pictures get circulated. Some ad got famous. And Nilganta Garu, he called me and Hyderabad vachin tarvata. Sorry if I ruin Telugu. Please kshaminchiti.
Kshaminchani. That's it. It's fine. Okay.
Yeah. So he said, you know, I remember going there and then he said, why don't you try movies? And it was very sudden. You know, it's not something that I decided. It's destiny, pure destiny that I'm here.
So you're a model before?
Yes. I was actually an engineering student, part-time model. Easy money kada. So over the weekend I used to do it. And but yeah, I never thought of being here.
So how often you come to Hyderabad?
Now very often. I've been literally living here off late. But now I've been living here for a couple of months because of promotions and otherwise also I've been here. And I love the city. I love the food. I love the people. I just love the culture.
So what do you like most?
Food.
In food, what?
Biryani. Halim, kebabs, kodi pulao.
Wow.
Lots of things. I'm a major foodie, so this is my place.
సో మీరు మీ అంటే వైశాఖం సినిమాలో మీ రోల్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది?
ఈ మూవీలో నా పేరు భానుమతి చాలా chic urban girl she is, but she's not ultra glam. She's glamorous but strong. You know how we like women are these days from big cities. So she's an urban girl but very rooted in her values. Very old school, very shy when it comes to romance. And she's experiencing it for the first time but very ambitious. You know, at the same time she's a heartbreaker. As you see in the trailer, she's a heartbreaker. She knows that she's got it in her. So that's Bhanumati. Sassy, strong, powerful, a heartbreaker.
Okay. So are you a heartbreaker in real life?
I don't think so. I believe in karma.
Oh.
So I wouldn't break anyone's heart.
Oh. So if somebody is proposing, you're gonna accept it?
That's not breaking heart. I can't marry everybody, okay? But yeah, I'm not rude to them. I'm not rude to anybody's feelings. Nobody proposes me, first of all.
Oh.
Okay, like nobody asks me out. But if they do, I think you consider their feelings.
Okay.
But if you don't like them, no.
Guys, if you are watching, okay, nobody has proposed yet.
I know.
Yeah. Still.
No roses.
No roses.
No roses, no flowers.
Guys, get ready with roses. See, after this movie release, you're gonna get a lot of roses to your house.
I hope so.
So, say something about the movie director Jaya Garu.
Jaya Garu is family to me, you know. She's so special and I keep telling her that I love her so much because she has had so much faith in me from day one. And she's somebody, like when I signed the film, I knew I was in safe hands because she's a very strong lady. She writes very strong characters for women. And in the film, when we started the film, I remember she told me that you don't just have to be a glam doll. You have to be a performer, darling. And I've kept that in mind. And she's taught me the basics of commercial cinema, of dance. I've danced for the first time, which was very exciting. And she just really took care of me. You know, she's very strict on sets, but she's a softie at heart, like any other woman. So I love the fact that she's strong, sensitive at the same time.
So you mentioned you danced for the first time.
Yeah.
But you don't look like you're dancing for the first time. On like I've seen your video songs and all, especially that Mass number, which you're wearing black dress. That was really nice.
Black dress, yes. So you really liked it, huh?
Yeah, I really like. So I'm asking like, you used to practice or you're a dancer? Or what?
I have learned Kathak.
Oh,
because
okay.
it was
So you're a
compulsory
dancer,
in my
professional
school. Yeah,
dancer.
yeah. But not this. See, cinema dancing is chala different and very difficult. Okay, and especially we were shooting in harsh weather conditions, -6 degrees and rain. It was raining and everything was happening. But I think all the credit should go to Shekhar Master, and he's my first dance master.
Okay.
So he's so nice. You know, he's such a good person. Chala cool ga undi. You know, very relaxed. And he used to keep telling me like, Avantika, relax. You know, just bring your own style to it. Like I enjoy dancing. I'm somebody. If you play music, I would get up and dance. Not like that. That's crazy. That's hard and that's crazy. But it was amazing. I loved it. I remember watching it. My relatives watched and they're like, "Is that you? And what is that?" So I'm glad the response is good.
Okay. So in case heroine kakapoyinunte, what you wanna become in your life?
Anything related to food, fitness, and movies. I'm a foodie. I'm a not a fitness freak, fitness enthusiast. I like being fit, and I love movies.
Okay.
So anything related to these things. I wanted to be an Air Force officer, just like my father and everybody else in my family. But now that I'm here, I've fallen in love with it completely. So anything related to these three things.
So you belong to a military background.
Yes.
So how's your family like? You know, I heard like a lot of military families like they're very strict and all. So how's your family?
Not strict, disciplined.
Okay,
Like very punctual. Like if they say 7 o'clock, 7 o'clock. You
Yeah.
have to be ready. My dad, like, he won't cut me any slack. I have to be ready. And military background, see, the best part is you get a lot of experience. You know, you get a lot of exposure from a very young age. We travel a lot. I've lived in a lot of different cities and countries. I think I've lived everywhere in India by now. And the environment is such that people are very broad-minded, yet, what do I say, very protective, you know. Everybody is like a family.
Yeah.
So it really helps me to live in any place. Like I can live here, I can live in Chennai, I can live in LA, and I'll be fine. We're adaptive like that, and we're disciplined. So I guess it works. And the only way we notice, you know, the only way to success for me or anything is hard work. There's nothing else that I know. So
So you believe in hard work?
that's all I've learned. You know, when you come from a different background, you don't really have any backing. You come from a different world. The only way I see is that you hone your skills and you work really, really hard, and then you leave it up to God.
Yeah. So how hard is to survive in this industry without a background?
It's very difficult. See, it's not just the background. I think it's you don't know how to go about things.
Yeah.
You don't know
Exactly.
which films to choose because there's nobody to guide you. You know, you don't know which film will work for you. So it is a lot of. Most of it is destiny, but when you get the right opportunity, you grab it and you work really hard, and then the rest is up to God. Like I said, like I got this film, I grabbed it, I've done my bit, and now the rest is in the audience's hands. So that's all we can do here. So I think that's a difficult bit. Being sometimes you feel directionless. You know, that's the only difficult bit.
I've listened to the music and watched video songs. It's really nice. So which one is your favorite song?
ఈ మూవీలో నాకు భానుమతి చాలా నచ్చింది
Okay.
బికాజ్ నా పేరు భానుమతి ఈ మూవీలో అండ్ ఇట్స్ వెరీ క్యాచీ సాంగ్
Okay. So you're gonna sing it for us, right? Yeah, you can.
ఓకే ఐమ్ గోనా
Come on.
ట్రై వెరీ బ్యాడ్ సింగర్
It's okay. Whatever heroine sings, it looks fine.
ఓకే ఐ హావ్ అ బ్యాడ్ వాయిస్ సో సారీ
Okay. We can put a disclaimer maybe.
ఓకే కొత్తగా ఉందే హాయిగా ఉందే ఒళ్ళు మొత్తం స్ప్రింగ్ లాగా స్వింగ్ అవుతుందే లవ్కి ఎవరెస్టే ఎక్కినట్టుందే హార్ట్ కైటు లవ్ హైటు తాకినట్టుందే సెల్ ఫోన్లో సెల్ఫీలే నీలా మారనే మిర్రర్లే ఎర్రర్లే నిన్నే చూపెనే భానుమతి భానుమతి భానుమతియే ఎందు చూసి పోనాదే ఉందమతియే భానుమతి భానుమతి భానుమతియే
Wow, that's really nice. Yeah, No, you said you're a bad singer, but you sing so
I'm
nice.
a bathroom singer, yeah.
No, it sounds really good.
Thank you.
So, about Vaishakam. So, what is the difference between your previous films? How?
See, it's a completely different outing. It's a commercial film. You know, you've got everything. You've got, see, it's a film that is very high on emotional content, high commercial values, production values, paisa vasool songs, visuals, chala bagundi, and the characters are really nice, very well etched characters. You know, where the story revolves around this girl called Bhanumati, and it's so beautifully written. The scenes that I have with my father, which are very special to me because I'm very close to my father in real life. So I have the same thing here. You know, the father is childlike and very cute, and my father is the same. So I think all of that put together, it's like a proper Telugu meal, kada? You know, biryani, there is raita, there is everything. So it's one full meal. So you are satisfied by the end of the film. So I think that's important, which is why it's different from anything that I have done before. I'm relatively new here. I haven't experienced much, but this for me is something that I wanted to experience. You know, baby steps in commercial cinema. Yeah. And I'm like, what? I was like, don't do this to my mother. She'll take me to Ganga after this, like directly Ganga Sagar I'll have to go to for a dubki.
So, how was working experience with the hero?
I have to say nice things? Okay, see,
Whatever you can.
He's a very nice guy. Very supportive, very energetic, no ego. I think most importantly, we got along really well. So we would help each other out, like with the language, like he would help me out with it, with the, even with the characters, you know, small, we would improvise on sets. So it was so easy working with him. He's also like a child, very energetic, very hyper. So I really, really had a good time working with him. He's very chilled out, very down to earth guy.
And ఇంకా మూవీలో ట్రైలర్ చూస్తే సాయి కుమార్ గారు కానీ మన అదర్ క్యాస్ట్ అండ్ క్రూ హౌ వాస్ వర్కింగ్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ విత్ దెమ్ సచ్ big stars?
You know, I was so excited because I was like a child on sets. I was so excited that they were coming and shooting. I have a very important sequence which I can't reveal with Sai Kumar Garu, and I was like, okay, should I approach him? You know, he's such a senior actor. He came and he spoke to me, and he's such a sweet guy. You know, he's so simple, so down to earth. When you meet such people who are senior and so successful, you realize that the most successful people are the most humble ones. No ego clash, just nothing. So we had a blast. Like, we were a family. We would go and have a lot of fun on sets, have lunch together, trouble each other, bully, find one person, one bakra used to be there, find that person, bully him or her. So it was just a blast. Like, not much of stress really.
సో డైరెక్టర్ గురించి చెప్పారు మీరు ఆల్రెడీ, ప్రొడ్యూసర్ గురించి.
But B. Raju Garu is the calmest person I've met. I don't know how he does it. When he walks into a room, he's very positive. I'm sure you know him. He's a very nice soul. So he'll come on set. He doesn't speak much. So he'll just be like, "Are you okay? Did you eat? Are you fine? All taken care of." So special attention, you know. And he was such a nice person. Like, as a producer, you have so much stress. There's so much going on, but he doesn't put it on display at all. He won't put any pressure. There's no stress really. Like, our job is to show up, do our job really well, and that's it. And everything else is taken care of. So he is just a really good soul, really good soul.
సో ట్రైలర్లో చూసినట్టయితే ఆ డైలాగ్ ఏదైతే ఉందో, అంటే ఎప్పుడు అబ్బాయిలు అమ్మాయిలతో ఆడుకుంటారా, ఒకసారి అమ్మాయిలు అబ్బాయిలు ఆడుకోవడం స్టార్ట్ చేస్తే ఎలా ఉంటుంది? సో వాట్ ఈస్ దాట్? సో ఈ రియల్ లైఫ్లో దాని గురించి చెప్పండి, ఎలా ఉంటుంది ఇఫ్ యూ ఎవర్ డూ దాట్?
If I tease guys, the whole leading guys on, I would never lead a guy on, first of all. Like, in this film it happens. I mean, actually it's like circumstantial, situational comedy.
Circumstances.
I would never do it. Like, I'm too shy. In my real life, I'm too shy to even like talk to a guy too much, you know. I'm very shy. It's only on screen. I'm very shy. Otherwise, very reserved. I have few friends. But in professional, I think in real life is only I can do it. So it looks good on screen only. All that dialogue you said.
ఓకే. సో టాలీవుడ్లో మీకు బాగా నచ్చిన హీరో ఎవరు, ఫేవరెట్ హీరో?
పెద్ద లిస్ట్ ఉంది.
But it's okay, fine.
I recently watched Bahubali couple of times in every language possible. And I really liked Prabhas in it. I think he's done a fabulous job. He is Bahubali, you know. So I think for, you know, more than people, you like the characters
Yes,
they play. You
exactly.
know, you go like, how did they do it? Like as actors, you want to be inspired. So a lot of people, like even Anushka, when I saw, I'm a huge fan, and Prabhas, and another film I watched. I think I watched DJ. I watched,
Yeah.
and I really like Allu Arjun's style, you know, swag and the dancing. So I guess that I get awestruck. I just go like, how did you do it? So I guess I look up to their talent and the skills that they have, the skill set. So yeah, a lot of them. Yeah. I just named a few, but the list is too long.
So the first comes in the list is Prabhas.
Yeah, because I just watched his film. Recently watched it and I absolutely loved it. Yeah.
మీ ఫేవరెట్ హీరోయిన్ ఎవరు తెలుసు?
Anushka Shetty.
అనుష్క శెట్టి గారు.
I think she's very beautiful, very elegant, and strong personality. You know?
మీ ఫేవరెట్ డైరెక్టర్?
Favorite Rajmouli Garu. Rajmouli Garu, one I already worked with, Jaya Garu. After that, I think it'll be Sukumar Garu and Rajmouli Garu.
సో ఏ డైరెక్టర్తో వర్క్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు నెక్స్ట్?
Next, I don't know, it's up to them. I mean, if they like my work, and like I said, it's a long list. Still, too many people I can work with. Actually, there are a lot of new people, new directors who have come up. You know, I've seen some films, like I watched Pelli Chuplo. There are a lot of other new films that have come up. So it's not just the established directors; they're amazing. A lot of people, and see, more than anything, is the character. Yeah. Like if they think they have you in mind, they write something for you. I'm all for it. You know, anything new, anything different, I'm all for it. Yeah.
సో ఫస్ట్ మూవీ చేసినప్పుడు మిమ్మల్ని ఫస్ట్ స్క్రీన్ మీద చూసుకున్నప్పుడు వాట్ వాజ్ యువర్ రియాక్షన్?
I really, you know, as an actor, when we watch ourselves, we only criticize. You know, it happens,
Yeah, it
right?
happens.
So I watched it. I remember seeing the songs and I was like, bah, bah, bah. What to do? What am I doing? But everybody's like, Baundi, don't worry, be confident. I was like, no. This is, I don't know, what have I done? So, because it's all new for me, right? So I just really like the songs that I have with my, shots that I have with my father in the film. I like the songs. But I guess it's for people to decide. I can't tell. I mean, if I look at it, I go like 100 things that I need to work on. So I guess you can tell me after you see the film.
షూర్ ఐల్ డూ దట్. సో హీరోయిన్ అయిన తర్వాత ఫస్ట్ మీ మైండ్లోకి ఎవరు వచ్చారు? వెన్ యూ సీ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఆన్ స్క్రీన్, ఫస్ట్ మీ మైండ్లోకి ఎవరు బ్లింక్ అయ్యారు? ఎవరు వచ్చారు?
I feel like, how am I here? Like, how did this happen? Because I am so different in real life. I am not a like I'm not somebody who dresses up a lot. I'm very simple. I'm like a tomboy. I've been a sports person.
Yeah.
So like in school days, college days, I was into sports. So that was my life. So I don't know what it's like to put on makeup and, you know, dress up a lot and be all prim and proper all the time. My mom keeps telling me that, you know, you have to be sophisticated, more ladylike. I'm trying, I'm working on it. But so I'm always surprised when I see it, because I always imagine myself in like a corporate house or as a pilot or something like that. That's what I grew up, you know, knowing. I didn't know this, the world of cinema. So I'm surprised, I'm happy, and I think more than anything else, I feel so fortunate. You know, it's such a special profession. Every day you wake up, you're somebody else. You get to be somebody else. You escape, you go get transported into this world, and you can be anything you like. You know, so it's just such a blessing to be here.
సో మూవీస్ కాకుండా అంటే యాక్టింగ్ కాకుండా మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ద టైమ్స్ ఏం చేస్తుంటారు? లైక్ వాట్ యూ స్పెండ్ మోస్ట్ టైమ్ ఆన్?
I play.
Badminton.
Yeah, I play badminton and squash. My current favorite is squash, and I golf with my father. He's a golfer. So I have started golf just now. So sports is very important to me. I read a lot. Reading, and I travel. So a lot of things, like mostly it's related to traveling only. Even if I'm traveling, I'll go play. I'll find a squash court and I'll start playing. I'll find football, or I need to be active.
Okay.
So sports is it's an integral part of my life.
సో ఈ వైశాఖం సెట్లో షూట్ జరుగుతున్నప్పుడు ఏదైనా ఒక మంచి రిమెంబరబుల్ ఫన్ ఇన్సిడెంట్ ఏదైనా?
There are so many, plenty. The entire movie was a fun ride, especially the song schedule. No, we shot day and night in Kazakhstan.
Yeah.
And I remember this one time, ma'am was there in a hotel, and she goes like, "I want buttermilk," because there you don't get proper food.
Yeah.
They don't know English.
Yeah.
So for everything, I have to sit with the Google translator. Okay. So they said we asked for buttermilk. So that lady comes with butter and milk. And we're just looking at her. We don't know how to react, what to tell her. So we said, okay, go. And then after that, morning, I remember the first day they said we have complimentary food for you. They said in their language, we just thought it's complimentary because we didn't have to pay for it. And they gave us an omelette which had they eat horse meat. Horse meat.
Yeah,
my
got
bad.
it.
And horse. They eat
Ghoda,
they
right?
ghoda.
Okay,
Ghoda.
harsh
And it's really cold, so I guess that's what they eat. They don't eat vegetables. If you ask them for vegetables, they go like, huh? So I was like, Pah, Pandit, that too I am.
Oh,
And my mother was also there. So I remember morning she's doing puja and then they feed her horse meat. My mom is like, this doesn't look like chicken. What is this? I said, Mom, wait, let me ask. So I asked her with a Google translator.
Okay.
She was like, horse. And I'm like, what? I was like, don't do this to my mother. She'll take me to Ganga after this, like directly Ganga Sagar I'll have to go to for a dubki. So a lot of things, I think it was just, but such warm people, you know, it kept us going.
సో తెలుగులో కాకుండా నెక్స్ట్ ఇంకా అదర్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో చేస్తున్నారా మూవీస్?
Tamil lo, I just finished one movie and so that I'm excited about. That's my debut. And Telugu also there's something, but I'm waiting. Let this
Official
release.
confirmation.
Yeah, official. I mean, it's all happened, but
Okay.
you know, yeah, let's finish this first. Let's talk about it first, and then yeah.
సో తెలుగులో వర్క్ చేశారు అండ్ తమిళ్లో. సో వాట్స్ ద డిఫరెన్సెస్ దట్ యూ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ బోత్ ఇండస్ట్రీస్?
See, working style is the same. Nothing changes. The people are the same. The mentality, everything is the same. I think it's just the content which is different. The work, the way they make films. Here it's more commercial, more colorful. There it's a little more authentic, I think.
Yeah.
That's they're more rustic in their the taste is more like that. But it's good for us, you know, because you get to work everywhere. So I'm so excited because I work here and then it's really fascinating. You get to shoot in really nice countries and you know you get to look good and you have really nice punchlines. I love it. I love Telugu cinema. It's so much fun and we also make sensible films, you know, chala entertaining films. There also it was, like I said, there's no difference. It depends on the team you're working with. I think we think in our head that it's a barrier, language is a barrier, it's the same. People, emotions are the same. We feel the same thing all over the world, right? People feel the same emotions. So no difference really. Just the weather, very hot.
In Chennai.
Whew, very hot, yeah.
So when it comes to Vaishakam, why people need to go and watch it in theaters? What's so special in that?
See, Vaishakam is about, it's a season of love.
Okay.
It's about young love. There's a lot of teasing, there's a lot of banter, you know, ups and downs because there's also family involved, as you've seen the other characters in the trailer. A lot of big actors are there, senior actors are there, and it's very high on emotional content. It's like how human relationships are beautiful yet complex. We all go through it.
Yes.
You know, it can never be a smooth ride. It is going to be a bumpy one. So that's what it's about, how we all, in times of adversity, during difficult times, we all come together to deal with it. That's what Vaishakam is about. And it's just this, it's a feel-good title, it's a feel-good movie because, you know, after the summer season, you have this really nice season which is romantic, so you want to drive around the city, have ice cream, fall in love. That's what Vaishakam is about. Visuals, chala bagundi, those are the highlights. DOP Subbarao Garu has done an amazing job. Songs are really, really nice. And paisa vasool songs. Super entertaining, okay? You'll like get up and start dancing in your seat, I guess. So it's a mixture of everything, full Telugu meal. So you come back with your tummy full.
Oh.
So you must go and watch it. And support us. You have new actors coming up, a new pair. So I guess we really need your love and support.
Sure, I hope they're going to give that.
Yes, please.
So me dream role enti ante when after you become a heroine, like is there anything that you want to do as a certain role?
I have such a long list. I'm so selfish and greedy. Like I want really nice, beautifully written roles for me. But I really love history. I'm obsessed with it. You know, I've always been interested in it. So I think I would love to play a warrior princess.
Wow.
Anything related to, because I've been a sports person, no? So I want to do a lot of sword fighting and running around and stunts. I would love to do stunts because in this film I got to dance.
Oh, yeah.
I remember I told ma'am that she asked me like, darling, can you dance? I said, yes. Full confidence. I said, yeah, I can dance. I go to Shekhar Master's studio and the choreographers start dancing and I go like, what is that? Every beat has 2 steps every beat. And I said, how do you humanly, is that humanly possible? So I cried. First 2 days I cried and I said, I can't do this. I don't know why I said it so confidently. But it pays off. It, you know, you know that you've gotten better. Like you have another addition to your skill set. So next movie I guess I'll be better.
Yeah.
So Warrior Princess for now, cop maybe, a politician, lots of things else. I'm so new, you know, it's just begun. So yeah.
So what's the policy that you believe in? And I mean, namme policy enti to get stay in this industry.
Perseverance, because it can really test your patience, and hard work, and a lot of faith in yourself. Because no matter what people say, as long as you have faith in yourself, you keep going. You know, that's all it's about. You like, if somebody is paying money, spending time to watch me on screen, then I might as well enjoy working. I should have faith in myself. I should like myself first for others to like me. You know, and I guess that's what you do here. Because nobody should shake your faith that you're not good enough or you're not going to last, or because if you have to make your place, it will happen eventually, slowly. Work hard. So that's the only thing I know. There's nothing else I know. I've learned it from scratch.
So there are a lot of people ante chaala mandi unnaru bayata industry lo ravali, heroines avali ani cheppi. So mimmalni adigithe what you want to give tips to them?
Tips, sir?
Yeah, tips or like some kind of suggestions, like, you know, if somebody is, you know, wants to come here to be in this industry.
I just want to say one thing, that there's a myth that industry is not a safe place. That's not true. You get treated the way you want to be treated. You have to have your principles. You have to have, like I said, faith in yourself. Be confident, no, about the way you approach things, the way you go about things. Be clear in your head. And it's an amazing place. You should come here and explore it. And there's a lot of introspection that happens, you know, when you come here. And be prepared to work hard, because it's not just glamour. It's 99% hard work and 1% glamour. You know, it's a lot of hard work. So I don't think I can give tips. I'm too new for it. I think I should be getting tips. But just that, I just find it really weird when people say, oh, is it safe? Like, you know, outside when I meet people, relatives also like, are you fine? Is it safe? I have been treated so well. I've been welcomed with open arms, and people are really respectful. They've been really, really nice. So that's what I want to tell all these young girls. You should come here. You know, it's an amazing place.
So if they're gonna come here, you're gonna get a lot of competition. You're ready for that?
There's always competition, no? You're not going to get better if you don't have competition. You don't get any inspiration. So I guess there's still a lot of competition. So you just find your own little space. At least I think in my head I'm like, as long as I'm doing my thing, I'm not. You don't compete with anybody else. That's too stressful. Can't take so much stress.
It's nice. And all the best for your future projects as well. And I hope the film get more success.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.